Welcome everyone to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to easily add a cover photo on the Substack app. Whether you're a new creator or just updating your profile, this guide will help you make your profile look professional. First, open the Substack app on your device. Once it's launched, look for the profile icon at the top right and tap on it. Next, a menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings to access your account preferences. Inside the settings page, you will see an option called Edit Profile. Click on Edit Profile to access your profile information. After that, scroll down until you find Edit Branding and tap on it. You will now see the option for a cover photo. Tap on the cover photo area, then select Photo Library to choose an image from your phone. Once you've picked the photo you like, make sure to click the Save button to apply the changes. Then, click on Save again at top right. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.